y'all, it's Sheree. What's up? Back with another video. Y'all have not seen me in a towel turby in a long time, but today I wanted to try out a new product, at least new to me. I don't know when it came out, and honestly y'all, I have not been interested in any of the new products that have come out. Honestly, a lot of new products haven't come out. You know, back in the day, we're getting a new product launch every like 1 to 2 months, and this year there hasn't been anything really new from brands I still support, or just much of anything new at all. But I did come across this a few months ago. I've had it in my stash for a few months, and today is the day I finally get to try it out. This is the Not Your Mother's Rice Water and Himalayan Moringa Super Strength Protein Rinse. I do want to pause this video to say that, per usual, this product will be linked down below. Purchasing through my links really does help my channel, and it goes such a long way. So if by the end of this review you're like, yes, I need it, click the link and save a life. Thanks, sis. So I did talk about this in my natural hair haul. If you haven't seen that video, you can check it out, where I hauled a few natural hair products as well as body products. So if you want to see what I picked up recently, you can definitely check out that video. But we know, if you're not new to my channel, I love rice water. I try to use rice water every week using my own recipe. I did make a new rice water recipe, and that video will be linked down below in the description box. It's an Insider Tea exclusive, so you're not in the Insider Tea, you will not get that updated recipe. But I use rice water, like I said, every single week. And the last time I tried a rice water from a brand, we know how that went, okay? The Mielle Organics Rice Water Collection. A whole tralala happened after that collection. The collection was on good, and I still stand by that opinion. All the drama and controversy aside, that line was basura. But Not Your Mother's is trying to revive rice water again, I guess. No one really talks about rice water, but we'll see what this does. I don't want to have a long intro. I feel like this has already been long enough. This is supposed to add protein to restore vibrancy and integrity. This line also has a shampoo and conditioner. I did not pick that up because I was not interested in that. I have enough shampoos and enough conditioner, so I only picked up the rinse. It has rice extract, and it also has rice protein, which are both on the middle of the ingredient list, but I will leave the ingredients down below. So let's get into the application. I thought this was watery, but it may have like a jelly consistency to it. Oh, that's not what I expected. I thought it was going to be like, oh wait. Oh, it's like a gel almost. Like a thin gel. Oh, this is not what I expected. I still don't think I want to use the nozzle. I still think I want to pour it into my spray bottle just for easier application. That's what I'm gonna do. See, like, it's creamy, y'all. It has a nice smell. It's not funky. It smells kind of masculine. You're supposed to apply it to your scalp and then work it throughout your hair. So, yep. Spray bottle was a great idea. I need to deep condition. But now I'm like, do I just use this? And my hair, like usual, is damp. That's how I prefer applying products on my hair. I won't say you can really detangle with this. It does have a bit of slip, but I wouldn't like try to like OD detangle with it, especially not on damp hair. Alright y'all, this is my hair with the product applied. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. My hair is hard. It definitely feels like I have a protein treatment on it. Like, sis is hard. This is not what I expected. When it says strength, it definitely means strength, superior strength. Absolutely. My hair looks really good. It says to leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. I was going to apply heat with this, but I'm not gonna do that anymore. Obviously it's been on for like 5 minutes probably already, but I'm gonna do an additional 5 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it off. So far, I'm definitely impressed with the strength of it, but we'll see. So I'll let y'all know. Hey y'all, I wanted to come back. I did wash and style my hair. It was a fail, so I just pinned my hair up to a puff and did some tendrils. I'm probably going to rewash my hair, honestly. It's not about my failed hair, it's about this product. And honestly, y'all, I really do enjoy this product. It felt really hard on my hair. I wasn't worried, but I was like, I don't know how this is gonna go. But once I got in the shower and the steam hit it and I rinsed it out, my curls looked so good. I tried to do some like in shower footage, so that should be running right now. And honestly, my hair looked amazing. It looked juicy and it didn't feel hard. I didn't follow up with a deep conditioner. I just went in with a regular rinse out conditioner and my hair felt great. Right now my hair actually feels super duper soft. If I wasn't going out tomorrow, honestly I would just twist my hair up and throw on my bonnet, but I am going out tomorrow and I want to look cute, so I am going to figure out what I'm going to do with my hair. As for this product, this is one of the best rice products I've ever used. A lot of people come out with rice products and they're just not that great, but this is great and it's affordable. I didn't say that at the beginning, but I think it's like $8 or something like that. Is this something I would repurchase and use? Absolutely yes. I do enjoy making my own rice water, so I don't necessarily have to rebuy this, but I would. It's really good. Do I think I would use this every week like my rice water? No. This is something that you use when you want to give yourself a nice quick shot of protein, where you don't want to do a whole bunch of steps of doing a protein treatment. And you know, with the protein treatment, you gotta put the protein treatment on, let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, rinse it out, do a deep conditioner. If you want to get a nice like quick shot of protein without having to do too much and still being left with soft hair, I would highly recommend this. You don't have to apply it too long to get the benefits of it. I was actually really impressed by this. Super duper surprised by my experience. My curls are super duper intact. They're popping. They're flaky, but they're popping. But that's the end of this video. Let me know if you tried this or you plan on trying it. I would love to know your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Peace. Bye, y'all.